Hi you guys, it's Kavita here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you this makeup look right here. If you're really interested and want to know about this makeup look, please continue watching. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. There will be more fun videos coming. I'll be posting more tutorials like this, and I'll be posting more informative videos for you guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell as well, so that you will never miss any of the uploads. And let's get started. Alright guys, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I'm gonna take this LA Girl eyebrow pomade in the shade dark brown. First of all, I'm gonna outline my eyebrows and then fill the gaps within. So with the help of this spoolie, I'm gonna blur out those harsh lines. And today's makeup look is so dark and bold, so I want my eyebrows to look nice and clean. For that, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade medium tawny and carve out my eyebrows. I already prepped my eyelids with some concealer that I used already, and I set that concealer with some powder. And for the eyeshadow, I took a Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette and used that creamsicle shade for the first transition color in the small blending brush. From the crease up to the brow bone, I used back and forth motion and blend that shade until it looked nicely blended onto my skin. Again, taking the shade Jada from the same Jacklyn Hill palette, I went up building my crease very slowly, taking a very little amount of color each time. Again, I layered the same shade on the crease until I made it intense and until I am fully satisfied with the color. I used back and forth motion for building the color, and I used small circular motions to blend that color. It is so easy to use circular motions to blend the color into the skin. Now I'm taking this shade Enchanted, which is nice deep dark green shade, in the small pencil brush, and this time I'm not blending that shade. I'm just putting that shade on the crease and building my crease that looks nice and intense. Although it looks so much of steps to do now and it looks quite messy right now, but end result is so nice and it worth all your hard work. Taking the clean fluffy brush, I blended all of the shades together and I cut my crease halfway through and dusted some powder over the top of that so that it won't crack up. And for the outer corner, I'm using the same Enchanted shade and using the same brush as well. I'm deepening my outer corner, and I'm taking this metallic green shade, which is Diva, and placing that shade just above the Enchanted, and it looks nice and blended every time you turn around and every time you blink your eyes. This type of reflective metallic eyeshadows make your eyes pop. Again, I'm taking the shade Soda Pop from the same palette, and I'm just layering that shade on the top of the Enchanted on the outer corner, because I wanted my outer corner to look a little bit deep, dark and defined. And now you can see me using clean fluffy brush and blending all of those shades together on the outer corner. And now I'm taking the shade Beam from the same palette, and I'm taking that shade on the flat brush. You can see me using that shade on the crease line first. I want that shade to be nice and clean on the crease line, and then I'm working from inner corner all the way up to the Diva. And on the inner corner and brow bone, I'm using the icy white shade, which is from the Sivana Colors Highlighter and Bronzer palette. I'm using that shade on the same flat brush and placing on the inner corner and brow bone. To clean up my outer parts, I'm using the same concealer that I used already. It is Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and I used my beauty blender to blend all of that. After this, I'm lining my eyes with some liquid eyeliner, and to avoid the powdery eyelashes effect, I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. And for the lower eyelid, I'm taking the yellow mustard shade that I used earlier on my upper eyelids, that is creamsicle. And after that, I'm using this shade Jax, which is red type of maroon shade, and I'm building that shade together. And after, on the top of that, I'm using the black shade and I'm smoking out my lower eyelid. And again, I'm taking the same mascara I used already. I'm coating all of this together. I put on some lashes as well. Those lashes are from Miniso, and I'm coating my lower eyelashes as well. And for the face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I did one video with this, you can check it out. And foundation is already done, and I'm doing my concealer underneath my eyes. This concealer is Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I did so much of concealer today because my eye look is so heavy and so dark, so I want my under eyes to be looked so nice and bright and all covered up. So I'm using this much of concealer today, and I'm using the same concealer to highlight my center parts of my face as well. And I'm blending that concealer all with the beauty blender, and I'm using the Coty airspun loose powder, and I'm setting that concealer all with the same powder. I'm using the beauty blender to apply powder as well because I love the effect how this beauty blender gives to my face. And I'm taking one brush and blending all that powder on my face, rest of my face as well. I didn't use other powders on my face. I'm using the same powder I used underneath the eyes. And for the contour, I'm taking this LA Girl Glow contour and blush palette, and I'm contouring my cheeks, my forehead, and I'm taking different brush for my forehead. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow blush, which is Mellow Wine. This is so pretty. And I'm taking these 3 shades from the Sivana Colors Highlighter and Bronzer palette. This shade is so reflective, and somehow I don't like it how it's looking because it's so much reflective. And to tone down a little bit, I used beauty blender and dab on a little bit, and it looks soft and nice. I like it how it looked after. And I'm using some contour to contour my nose as well, and I'm using really small brush. And to blend that contour, I'm using big fluffy brush, and I'm doing a little bit of highlighting as well on the bridge of my nose. And in this look, I kinda overlined my lips, and for the lip liner, I'm taking this Miss Claire Glimmerstick on the shade Bobby Brown. And the lipstick I took today is from Milani Color Statement, which is Matte Beauty or something, I forgot. Check in the description box. So this much is for today. Alright guys, this much is for today. If you really like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon as well so that you never miss any of the future uploads. And if you really like this makeup look, please share this video to your friends as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.